Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are well. First of all, I want to give you a challenge. Can you inflate a balloon by sucking air? I mean to say, we know if we want to inflate a balloon, we need to blow air inside the balloon. But can you make a system where we are going to suck air but balloon become inflate? Amazing challenge, right? So let me show you how you can do that.
So to do this experiment, all you have to need a glass bottle with cap, two pieces of straw, a rubber band, a piece of balloon, glue gun and iron. That's all. Let's make it. Firstly, take the bottle cap, then you need to make two holes in the middle of the bottle cap. I am using iron to make holes. Then put the both straw inside the hole, like that way. Now seal the air gaps between straw and cap using glue gun. To get best result of this experiment, it's very important to make sure the gap sealed very well. Now wait until the glue dries up. Now take the balloon and fix it with the green color straw using the rubber band. Fix it tightly. Now place the system into the bottle and fix the bottle cap very tightly, like that way. So guys, there is two straw, green for balloon and blue for suck air inside the bottle. Now time to test the system.
So guys, I am going to suck air with this blue straw which is not connected to the balloon. You can see here this is not connected to the balloon. Wow! It's amazing! See the balloon become inflated. Let's try to blow air inside the bottle and see what happens. See, the balloon is not inflated in this time. Let's suck air one more time and see what happens. Wow! See the balloon inflate again. Amazing challenge, right? The straw completely detached from the balloon, but balloon inflate. Now the question is why it's happened. So let's see.
So guys, when you suck air from this blue straw, inside the bottle air become less and low pressure create inside the bottle. So the atmospheric air pressure is higher than the air pressure inside the bottle. The high pressure around the bottle then has to move and fill that low pressure. It pushes down on that balloon and fills it up because there is no pressure inside the bottle to push back.
It's very simple, right? Now make it and have fun. Now let's move to our next experiment, which is also very challenging. To do this experiment, you need 4 by 6 inch thick paper sheet, a drawing set, a scissor, a 1 feet broomstick like this, a half of potato, a piece of candle and a lighter. That's all. At first take the paper sheet and draw a spiral. Draw a straight line on the middle of the page using pencil and scale. Then take the pencil compass and draw a 1 cm half circle. Then name the points as 0, 1 and 2. Then take the compass point 1 and 2 and draw a half circle downside of the line, like this way, and name the point 3. Then take the compass point 0 to 3 and draw a half circle upward the line, like that way. And name it 4. Then take the compass at point 2 and 4 and draw a half circle downward to the line and name it 5. Repeat the same process and make the spiral, like that way. Then you can design the spiral like that way. It's not necessary, but if you do that, it's look great. Now take the scissor and cut it.
Wow, it's look great. Now take the potato and attach the broomstick with it. Now place the spiral paper on the tip of the broomstick. Now take the candle and place it below the spiral. One thing you need to focus, the candle should be smaller than the rotating paper height. You can cut the paper to solve this problem. I think it's okay. Now it's time to fire the candle. Okay, it's stopped. Don't worry, I think little bit adjustment required. Now see. Wow, see the spiral paper rotating. Amazing. It's looking great. Now see, if I remove the candle, it's stop rotating. If I put back the candle, it's start rotating again. Now see the beauty of this experiment and enjoy it. Okay, now the question is, why it's happened? Why the spiral paper start rotating? Well, the air around the candle heats up. Since hot air is lighter than cold air, the air that surrounds the candle rises and pushes on paper spiral, causing it to spin.
It's very hot, right? Rotating a spiral paper looking great. Let's do that with your friends and family and have fun. Now